This second-floor condo is centrally located on the Isle of Palms, just steps away from the beach, shopping, restaurants, and a short drive to downtown Charleston. Updated 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo with a full kitchen and great room area. Wood flooring throughout and bunk beds, too, in the hallway for additional sleeping quarters or storage. HVAC replaced in 2017. Amenities include fishing pier, community pool, laundry facilities, and security guard on premise. This will make a perfect home, second home, or investment property.